Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features in Virtual DJ, stems. If you've ever wanted to remove vocals, isolate drums, or remix a track live like a pro DJ, this feature will completely change how you mix. Let's get straight into it. Stems allow Virtual DJ to separate a song into 4 parts: vocals, drums, instruments, and bass. And the best part is, this happens in real time. You don't need the original studio files. That means you can create mashups, clean transitions, and live remixes using just your laptop. Now, let's activate stems. Open Virtual DJ. Load a track into a deck. Go to the Pads section on your deck. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Stems plus FX. Once you select that, you'll see several buttons appear. Let's go through them one by one. At the top, you'll see Vocal. This lets you control or remove the vocals from the song. Now let's do it practically.
Straight to the top, me love no design. Girl, your skin it on, see me when me coming every time.
Next is melody. This controls the musical elements like synths and instruments. Then we have the bass. This lets you isolate or remove the low end of the track. And finally, drums. This controls the beat and percussion. Below that, you'll see effect buttons. Vocal Echo adds an echo effect to the vocals. Great for transitions or breakdowns. Vocal Reverb adds space and depth to the voice. Instrument Beat Grid lets you apply rhythmic effects to the instruments. And Instrument Echo adds delay effects to the music layer. They are the greatest, girl, I know for why. Love it and you're not basic, so you want to shine like me in the studio, but you're there for my mind. Straight to the top, you know me love you no design. Girl, your skin it on, see me when me come in every time. These controls allow you to remix tracks live, create smooth transitions, and perform mashups in real time. This is one of the most powerful features in Virtual DJ, and once you master it, your mixes will sound next level. Now, let's make a mashup. For this example, I'm going to use an instrumental from Mariah Carey and a song by Soulja called Turn My Swag On. First, I load both songs onto separate decks. Next, on the Soulja track, I remove the instrumental, so I'm left with only the vocals. Now I start playing the Mariah Carey instrumental. Once that's playing, I bring in the Turn My Swag On a cappella.
Turn my swag on, take a look in the mirror, say what's What's up? Yeah, I'm getting money. Oh.
And just like that, you have a mashup. The vocals sit perfectly on top of the instrumental, and everything stays in sync. And here's something important to know. You don't always need the official instrumental. You can use virtual DJ stems to create your own instrumental from any song. That's the real power of stems, and that's how you make a mashup in virtual DJ. Pretty cool, right? Try it out yourself and start exploring what you can create with the power of virtual DJ stems. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, share it with a DJ or a friend who loves music and would enjoy this feature. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. The top 5 suggestions will be the ones I turn into videos next. See you in the next one.